What's up, guys? I got a package in the mail today from these guys, and I just thought I would do an unboxing. Wonder if that comes off. That's kind of a cool looking sticker. Anyway, maybe they put some inside. Let's see what's in here. I ran across these guys on Instagram, and they did include some stickers. So, Outlaw Soaps. I mean, if it sounds that cool and badass, I have to check it out. And they had some really cool sounding soaps, so I wanted to check them out. I have like a nice thank you card in here. It's a husband and wife team. I can dig that. Even a personalized note. I love it. That's great stuff. So, and this is cool. I love when businesses do this. They throw in a little sample. This is their Mountain Hideout soap. So we're gonna have to check that out at some point. But I tell you, my nose, I can smell something pretty strong here. I'm not sure which one of these it is. So this one's called the Gambler. And you can look these up on their website to see what the scent profiles are. I can't remember them exactly. Oh, here it is. They put it on the back. So the Gambler is bourbon, tobacco, and a little bit of leather. How can you go wrong with that? That's fantastic. So I've been so frustrated for years with these companies that market, men's products like Axe and all this junk, and it smells terrible. It's like some bad tool from high school that everybody hated. It's that kind of smell just foisted on us all the time, and it's too strong and it's too much and it doesn't smell manly. It's artificial smelling. There's nothing natural about it at all. And now we're starting to see companies like these guys who understand what a man wants to smell like and what women like men to smell like. So this one here, I love this bourbon, tobacco, and a little bit of leather. And I definitely smell the leather. I think I can smell the tobacco. I don't know. I got to spend some time with this, but this is a good smelling soap, and it's strong enough that you're going to smell good after you use it, but not so strong that people are going to be running from you. So I also got the Blazing Saddles. Let's see. This one is smells like leather, gunpowder, sandalwood, and sagebrush. It's like a camping trip. I love it. So these are both among their milled soap offerings. That means they're made by a machine versus some of their other soaps that are made by hand. But these guys are a really cool small company. It looks like they kind of do their own packaging. This is the Blazing Saddles. So yeah, it looks like they do their own packaging. It's really cool. It's got that Old West vibe. I mean, everything down to the fonts. These guys, this is just a really well thought out business model. And, you know, they don't have a huge number of offerings, but they have just enough, and they're just good enough. They're excellent, actually, that it doesn't matter. These guys are going to take, see if I'm wrong, these guys are going to take off, all right? In addition to soaps, I think they have some other products like lotions and, I don't know, shampoo or something like that. And they're probably going to, oh, and they have solid cologne, which is really cool. But they'll probably diversify into some other products. I'm going to get after them and try and see if they'll make hair pomade because, you know, why not? I mean, that's my thing. But check them out, Outlaw Soaps. They will take care of you. They'll even send you a little freebie. Let's see if I can smell this here. Whoa. There's definitely a sage scent to this one. A mountain hideout. I don't know exactly what's in this one. I'm going to have to look it up. But very cool. So, sticker for my skateboard. What more could you want? Check out Outlaw Soaps. They do offer, I think I forgot to mention this, they do offer a subscription service. So you can either get a subscription of just like their soaps, like a certain number of bars every, I mean, you set the time period every 3 weeks, 2 weeks, every month. They also have some packages where you get a whole bunch of stuff like lotion and shampoo and soap and a bunch of things. And you can get that every however often you want. So very cool stuff. If you're a guy like me, I think a lot of guys are like this, you know, we want this stuff and we'll look for it when we're in the store. And thankfully people are finally starting to make it. But I hate shopping for stuff. I hate shopping even for this stuff. It's like a necessary evil. But once we find it, to just be able, like, I don't have to go to the store. I can just have it delivered in the mail. Awesome. So I think we're going to see a lot more of these types of businesses. It's a lot lower overhead for them. They don't need a store. They don't need to pay a huge number of employees. You know, they can do a cottage business and just ship this stuff as people need it, and it'll just grow. So very excited for where the future is going to take Outlaw Soaps and companies like them. Support these kind of small businesses because when they come out with something that we've been like clamoring for forever and nobody supports them, guess what? They're not going to last. And then you're going to be back to buying like that crap that they sell in the store that they tell you is what a man should smell like. It doesn't smell like anything you want to smell like. It doesn't smell like anything that you remember from your childhood, that you remember your dad smelling like, or your uncles, or your grandpa, or whatever, or a place that you grew up. Now, you want to support companies like this, so check them out, throw them some love, and if you like this video, throw me a like, leave a comment below. Let me know if you've checked them out, what you think, what your favorite scents are. This is just my first order, so I'm hoping to try their other fragrances as well. Anyway, guys, I'm going to peace out. I just got in from work a little while ago. Still working in the hospital. I had to shave recently. That's why most of my beard is gone. But they've got us wearing the N95 masks now when we transport patients that are either infected or rule out for COVID. So, you know, CDC guidelines said I could keep a mustache, a small soul patch, and my sideburns. So there you go. Anyway, appreciate you guys. Stay safe. God bless. Bye.